Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are touring a one bedroom, one bath Airbnb right here in Ntinda on Commercial Road. It goes for 150,000 Ugandan shillings a night, negotiable for long stays, and let me show you around. Once you enter right into the living room. You have a coffee table right there with some amazing decor, and then you have your TV. You can sit and watch and relax just from here. And then we have our internet right there and standing fan in case the weather is hot. And there is some amazing wall decor up there, as you can see, and a comfy couch. Right behind the couch, there is a little workspace. This is a dedicated workspace in case you want to sit down and just work with some words of motivation. And then a fully equipped kitchen. You have our fridge right here. There is ample storage here in the kitchen. You have all the basic utensils. There's a cooker right here, both gas and electric. 3 gas, 1 electric. Items for coffee. You have a kettle and storage up here for utensils, cups. You have your sink here, and then right on the other end there are plates and bowls for you, and there is a microwave as well. And up here you have more bowls up there, and also you have all sorts of cutleries that you can use over here in the drawers. So right from the living room, let's head over to the other room. So when you walk here, you see there's a little space here. This, you can put your laundry right here. And then here is toilet and shower. There's hot shower over there, fresh towels and all cleaning essentials. We have a little mirror over here, and then right here we have a next door which takes us to the bedroom. This bedroom sleeps too. It's pretty comfy. Wall arts here. You have your mosquito net. This is Africa, so mosquitoes are always there. And besides the mosquito net, the host provides a mosquito repellent right here, which you can just turn on during the night and mosquitoes will just disappear. Besides that, there is a massive storage area here for you, and this is really beautiful. And lastly, we have our ironing area in case you have clothes to iron. This is just where you can iron from. So this is how the outdoor looks. There is, right, you can see the entrance, quiet neighborhood. There's a road right out there. And then this is amazing outdoor. This is how it looks outside, and you can see it's pretty quiet. The neighborhood, it's quiet. It's close to amenities in Ntinda. And here is your parking area. To book this property, be sure you check the description to know how you can book. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.